We have gotten about what we typically would get, in the month of July. We're going to get a lot more, though, over the next 4 or 5 days. This was actually a pretty solid line of thunderstorms earlier this morning. It's completely fallen apart. A little bit of light rain still left around the Boyette area, right on the Hillsborough-Manatee border there. So, not to mention a quick little shower near Lakeland over the Haines City. This is not much. It really isn't. We're going to get a lot more, I promise, over the next few days. Everybody along the coast, though, we've been stuck in the 80s. 82, 83 degrees, Tampa, St. Pete, Clearwater, Sarasota, and then a lot of mid to upper 70s, if you will, inland. A little bit of cloud cover as well this morning, so I don't think we'll get that beautiful blue, sunshiny start to the day. Meanwhile, just to the east of our state, we have an area of low pressure slowly trying to develop, and this broad area of low pressure could form into something tropical mid to late week. First, it's going to move over the state. It won't turn tropical, obviously, moving over land like this, and then once it makes its way into the Gulf, it's going to slowly slide west northwest, say over towards southeast Louisiana, and that's where it could become a tropical depression or a tropical storm, okay? However, it doesn't matter for us, because for us the forecast is not different. It's rounds of heavy rain despite any development. So watch this. This is a big low. You can start to see the spin. Notice what it's going to do, though, over the next 2-3 days in Florida. It's just going to bring wave after wave of rain. Here's one later today into the evening. There's another one tonight, and then right through tomorrow. But you can start to see that spin, can't you? As it's trying to develop, it moves slowly westward out into the Gulf and then eventually up into Louisiana. But even by Wednesday at 4 o'clock, being that we're on the east side of this, we're still getting little waves of rain to roll through. In a situation like this, 2-3 inches of rain could cause some minor flooding. So we do have an excessive rain outlook, a slight chance for that. That there could be, again, some minor flooding if we get this 3 to 5 inches of rain, which the computer models want to keep bringing down. So looking ahead, it's not a washout, though, and that's what people think when they say, oh, 3 to 5 inches of rain, the whole week's going to be a washout. No, it really isn't. Now, later today, here's 4 o'clock. Here's 7 o'clock. You can see how this evening, though, we could get a lot of rain and storms. Then it quiets down. Then we'll do the same thing Tuesday afternoon, Tuesday evening, and then going into Wednesday as well. Overall, yep, the entire state's going to get a solid 3 to 5 inches of rain with some isolated higher amounts as well. So rain and storms developing today with a high of 91. Tonight, overnight low near 79 degrees. We're not looking for a change until Thursday. Thursday and Friday, as that low moves into Louisiana, then our rain chances start to go back down, and then this weekend, they're down to 40%.